Yeah. Two chains.
Put it on that beat. Oh.
I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm that beanhead you, and today I will be reacting to a video called Boya. It's by a Jamaican artist called Busy Signal. It's a new track. Shh, the foreigner them don't know. And yeah, it's called Boya, and let's get straight to the video. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just wearing this car. Get me Calvin Klein, and I need to look cool. Let's get into the video.
Chapter O, waste of time. Pre-O, waste of time. Hustling thing, money man a make me and the girl them a roll, no waste of crime. Now the one chat enough dog, come on and chat about why I'm a boss dog. Laugh we a laugh when they call them attack, cause I bluff them a bluff dog. Big slip in my jack and dance, so me have the real like grade up of dog. Anyway, back to me girl them, cause the whole of them sexy and buff dog. Straight hustling thing, man I make beer money, cause the time get rough.
I should probably do a little translation for the foreigners, the English ones. Big spliff in a jaw corner, so me have real life grade up of dog. That is a big zoot in his jaw corner. He has the real high grade. It's a type of weed in Jamaica that he is smoking. And yeah.
Dog, I will drive past and I talk about blast. No for them back down, don't tough dog. Watch out for this bedroom, will the place it a bus dog.
I don't know what you just said there, but it sounded sick, didn't it? But when you said about the bedroom bully, that's someone in the bedroom that beats up the pussy. You get me? Beat it up, fam.
Y'all see me and I beg for your touch, no time because no handcuffs dog. Maddest thing, boy. Girls say we are the hottest thing, boy. Them no real.
Boya. That's English, that's Jamaican for around here. Yeah?
To the level me bin, boy. Them are dirty like a rubbish bin, boy. Ask Cara, ask us it.
They are dirty like a rubbish bin.
Kill I know when the thing begin. But listen when them want chat second. Money man I make platinum selling. I that really go on me than vampire teeth them use me bite the hand. Sell out them soul and no member the place them come from and where it all began. You know from when me dev out and step out without no question. You know say me can't believe certain things some people are post by Instagram. But me praise the Almighty still. You can't stop me to hold me skill. Cross the T's that eyes every blanks I feel. Just
Praise the Almighty. That is God. He's talking about God. Yeah. I think pretty much this is all straightforward, but once I showed my English, my foreigner friend, not this song, but a song, and he didn't get a word, like completely, he didn't understand anything, which I thought was just stupid. Well, not stupid, I understand it fine, of course, because I'm from Jamaica, but people that are not from Jamaica have kind of struggled to understand the language, which is weird because it's just broken down English. But well.
I see them a come like Josephine. Try stop me, I better your bill. Me and the hot sexy girls are chill. No boy can't step to the think up on the turf. Them no tech check the dog so ill. Maddest thing, boy. Girls say we are the hottest thing, boy. Them no reach to the level me bin, boy. Them are dirty like a rubbish bin, boy. Ask Cara, ask us in, boy. Kill I know when the thing begin, boy. But listen when them want chat second, boy. Money man I make platinum selling, boy. Maddest thing, boy. Girls say we are the hottest thing, boy. Them no reach to the level me bin, boy. Them are dirty like a rubbish bin, boy. Ask Cara, ask us in, boy. Kill I know when the thing begin, boy. But listen when them want chat second, boy. Money man I make platinum selling, boy. Now the one chat enough dog, dog come on and chat about why him have a bus dog. Laugh we a laugh when they call them attack, cause I bluff them a bluff dog. Big split in the
Laugh, they are laughing when the fowl, the chicken, them, the chicken, them are talking, because they're bluffing. They're bluffing a lot, so we're laughing at them.
Now me jaw corner, so me have the real high grade of puff dog. Anyway, back to me girl them, cause the whole of them sexy and puff dog. Straight hustling thing, man, I make beer money, cause the time get rough dog. I who drive past and I talk about flash, none of them back down, done tough dog. Watch out for this bedroom, to the place it a bust dog. Y'all see me and I beg for your touch, no time for cuss, no handcuffs dog. I that really go on me than vampire teeth, them use me by the hand. Sell out them soul and no remember the place them come from and where it all began. You can't miss Monte Killer, but you bant and Shabba sizzle and either keep it on.
No, really don't. Really don't. Listen.
You can't miss Monte Killer, but you bant and Shabba sizzle and
can't
either
diss
keep
them
it on.
people.
Maddest thing, girls say we are the hottest thing. Them no reach to the level we been. Them are dirty like a rubbish bin. Ask Cara, ask Assassin. Killer know when the thing begin. But listen when the
Just there, he said, them no reach to the level we've been. They have not reached to the level, you get me, that we have been. We have been to that level. They haven't reached that level yet. They're still down here. You get me? Like, they're there, we're here. They haven't reached there yet.
them all chat second. Money man I make platinum selling. Maddest thing. Girls say we are the hottest thing. Them no reach to the level we been. Them are dirty like a rubbish bin. Ask Cara, ask Assassin. Killer know when the thing begin. But listen when them all chat second. Money man I make platinum selling.
That was Busy Signal Boya, a new song. Yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and that will be all until next time.